Hello, I'm going to show you something amazing in my garden today. I'm going to harvest ginger today. I hope you know what ginger is. It has lots of benefits. My mom uses it for cooking, and she uses it to make tea, and she even makes lemon and ginger water and gives it to me when I have a cold. It's good to add ginger to your food during the fight of coronavirus because it will keep up your immunity and kill the virus. I planted little pieces of ginger like this in April, and now it's the middle of October, and it has grown into a big bush like this in 6 months. Now when I'm talking, I'm going to dig up the ginger with my dad. You need your gardening hat, boots, gloves, and a shovel. Let's get started. It smells like ginger.
It sure is.
Guess what? I found frogs in my ginger plant. Now I trim the shoots and I'm going to dig the ginger out. It has the ginger. These are the ginger roots. They are nice and clean and ready to use.